late 80s into 90s. Gordon's gone for
New romantic.
new romantic with a bum bag.
Fanny pack, do you mind?
Foreign. Again? Hello, what are you wearing?
What?
What are you wearing?
Not what you're wearing.
There he is.
Oh, he's wearing a black hat. Oh, yes. How you doing? I see you.
You do?
I see you and I see you. I never realised quite how long your legs were before.
How you feeling, Ling?
Not very good.
Why?
No. Hot flushes.
What? Right.
The Melman.
Well, it is hot in here.
Stomach cramps. Adam, while you're driving, can you just do me a favour? Just swing it a little bit. No, side to side.
Nothing like a drama queen, is there?
It's not my car when it comes out the top end. Because I was so highly constipated from all the morphine I was on, I had a blanket over me and I'm sat in the toilet with my eyes. They both come and sat in there. They brought, one of them, my nan brought a stool up and sat there.
What, your store?
It's like a drug run.
You got my cagoule! I so hope he didn't get there in time. That would be funny.
Bowling and beers.
You just turn off the bowling. You can be going bowling today, apart from that.
Easy, told you.
Good.
And there's this as well, Gordon. Is this as well, Gordon?
Oh, they're up!
Set list. Sneaky peek at the set list.
The numbers might mean something.
Come on, one more time. Don't go to penalties. Come on, England. Don't go to penalties. Come on, England. This is the year.
Ready.
It's alright. Cheers. I want some pizza with John. I didn't get you a pizza, they had no pizza for you. So
Go!
I mean, I moan about my computer at home and I need 2 screens, and there's you in your car with freaking...
Middle button, bottom. Bottom. That's it. That's it.
That's the one.
What we got?
Carlisle.
Turn on.
20 minutes later, we got up to Galston on a Hopton and he went, can you take me home? I've got a funny feeling. And he went home after that, we had to take him home.
That is brilliant.
So now I am 40, halfway to 80. Life is just great, but often a bit shaky. This world is just weird, it's the same for us all. For every high peak, there has to be a fall. Life is so rich, and I don't mean money, surrounded by love and those I find funny. So when I am 80, 40 years from now, I'll happily tell myself, Johnny, you made it, somehow.